Baptize me in the water. Baptize me in the water. I went to the river to be baptized by Jesus. I went to the river to be baptized by Jesus. I ran and ran as fast as I can to see this man. Off in a distance, Jesus was coming for me. Jesus was coming for me. When I looked into his eyes, he said, "Are you ready?" I said, "Jesus, I am ready." He took me by the hand. We walked barefoot in the sand. Down to the river we did go. The water was calm as glass. When Jesus stepped into the water, the river began to dance. The river began to dance. Jesus took me by the hand into the water. A voice came down from heaven, said, "Your life has just begun. Your life has just begun." The day Jesus baptized me in the water, love was all I knew. Christ consciousness had come true. Singing praises to Jesus is all I want to do. It's your gift too, gift of love from Jesus for you. Gift of love from Jesus for you.